tes lignes, quoi.
Ouais, bah ouais.
Qu'est-ce que t'en penses, toi, tu vois?
Ouais, je suis d'accord.
Non, non, surtout pas toi.
Bon ou faux?
Diverse.
Useful. I'm loving this step-up program. It was very insightful. Facilitation is just brilliant. It's a cooperative way of learning new things.
It was really amazing to work on my next chapter part because actually in the group everyone gets a different presentation and performances of their next chapter, but we all get the same message, which is also how much diversity there is in the management group.
Yeah, useful because every, at least at each little module of this training, I found practical help that really will help me to handle situations that I have in my team at the moment. So it's extremely relevant and practical tips that can help you do a better job as a manager.
I received in 3 days all the fundamentals that I need to know and to integrate in order to be able to manage better in a methodology that is just super fluid, super interactive, so I can share with my peers all the time. It's not at all receiving information, it's just me integrating, practicing right away the information with my peers. And the trainer is amazing, the materials are fantastic, so really, I really invite you to come and join because it's a great experience.